These are the first part of the examples I'm going to go through for section 1.2, day 2. Just a reminder, you can always pause the video and rewind when needed if I'm going too fast again, or if there's something there that you want to go back and look at, or you can always go back and rewind the whole thing and watch it over again just to make sure that you understand what's going on. So as we look here at these first examples, let's take a look here at what they're asking us to do. So it says here, each surface of the box at the right represents part of a plane. So this is our box down here. Okay, that's our box as we're looking through these examples. And there we go. Okay, it says, what is the intersection of plane ADC and plane BFG? So right now, they want us to find the intersection of ADC. So I'm going to mark that one out, A to D to C. And if you're looking for a fourth letter, the fourth letter that would go with that is B. So in this case, this is the top part of the box. Okay, so we'll color that part in, the top part of the box. So they want to know, where does the top part intersect with BFG? And BFG goes from B to F to G. And then if you look for the fourth point, that would be point C. So this is the right side of the box. Okay, and what it wants to know is, where do they intersect? Well, the first thing you got to remember is, when two planes intersect, they intersect at a line in this case. So where is the line that they intersect? Well, as you're looking at this picture here, we see the right side of the box right here, and you see the top of the box. Well, the right side and the top are going to intersect at the top right corner. Well, that top right corner is labeled as as line BC. Making sure you have the correct notation. Okay, so that's where the two planes, the right side and the left side, intersect. Let's take a look at the second example now. Second example says, where do plane EHG and plane DAE intersect? So plane EHG, let's point that one out. EHG goes from E to H to G, which again, if you look at the fourth point, it would be here. So we're looking at the bottom of the box. Okay, so where is the bottom? And then DAE. DAE goes from D to A to E, and then the fourth point would be H for that side. So I want to know, where do the bottom and the left side intersect? Well, as you look at this here, the bottom and the left side are going to intersect at those points, okay, which means they're going to intersect at line EH, or the bottom left corner. So the key is to figure out what corner that those two planes will intersect. And then you can just match up the two letters with it. Okay. Now, the third question here says, what planes intersect at line BF? Well, I'm looking at line BF here. So line BF, we're going to outline line BF here, and we'll make this a little bit thicker this time. So line BF is outlined right there in red. Okay, it wants to know what planes intersect at line BF. Well, this is the front right corner. So in order in the box, you'll notice it's the front right corner of the box as you look here. Okay, you can see the front right corner. So kind of the way easiest to look at this is, when you say it's the front right corner, well, think about that. What two planes make up that corner? The front side right here, and the right side. That's the front right corner. Okay, so I need to figure out what three letters I can use for the front, which I'm going to outline this. The front is right here, and then I need the right side, which is right here. So I've got the yellow and the blue, so I need three letters from the yellow. And if we go back here, three letters from the yellow, so I've got plane A, E, and F. I could use any three letters I want. And the three letters from the blue are B, C, and G. Again, I can use any three letters there that I would like to. All right, so let's take a look at this last example here. And okay, it says what planes intersect at line HG? So line HG is down here along the bottom. So let's outline that one, and we'll make that one in blue so that we can tell the difference. We want line HG. I want to know what two planes intersect to form line HG. So if you look at this, this is the back bottom corner. Okay, the back bottom corner of the box. So as you look at this, you're going to deal with the bottom right here, and then you're going to deal with the back. So again, on my two colors here, I need 3 letters from the bottom. So as we go through and write these down here, 3 letters from the bottom, I need H. Let's start out with that one. So we got H.
Cameron Freeman, if you're still in the building,
we have
stop by the
E,
counseling office to pick up your ID.
and we have F. That's the bottom. And then I need 3 letters from the back, which is the yellowish color here. So 3 letters from the back, let's go D, C, and G. The bottom part and the back. Okay, this concludes this video. Make sure you go through and look at your examples. And if you need to remember, you can always come back to Rewind and relook at these videos.